Namaste. Let's start doing jumping jacks with full of energy. Keep breathing and you can do up to 1 minute. Now release for a while and raise your both hands parallel straight by both sides and do rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep breathing. Release the hands and then raise your left hand and bend it to right side and try to touch the right thigh by your right hand and release. Again with the same left hand. Feel the stretch in your abdomen area. Release the hand. Same posture. And release. Now you can do this for 4 to 5 times. You can feel stretch in your waist area. Now keep your both hands on hip and bend backward as much as you can. Keep straight knees. Bend it backward as much as you can. Now bend front, keeping your straight knees coming forward in 90 degrees. Do this 2 to 3 times. You may feel stretch in your entire thigh muscle. Repeat again. Keep breathing and release. Now raise your leg bending in knee in 90 degrees and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. You may use your hand for balancing. Release the leg and do rotation of ankle. Same clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep breathing. Now release the leg and your next leg. Same in 90 degrees. Full rotation. Now our ankle rotation and release. Now put your both hands in sky in Namaskara posture. Raise your toes upwards. Feel the stretch in your entire body. Release the hand and repeat. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your entire body, muscles. Release the hand slowly. Now put your both hands on both knees. Slightly bend in knee and in waist also. Knees are close to each other and do rotate. Release. Now come into the mountain posture. Try to touch toes. Stay in posture. Keep breathing. Now move forward by leg and come back again. It creates stretch to your entire thigh muscles, glute muscles. Come back again. Now raise your right leg forward between both the hands. Make sure that left leg knee touch to ground. This is called Ashwasutra Sanchalana. Your eyesight must be little bit higher than normal. Again, move forward by leg. Now walk forward You are using your hands. Come back again. Now repeat. Again walk forward. Come back again. It creates strongness in thigh muscles. Try to hold your entire body on shoulders. Keep breathing. Again back. Now come down to your knees on floor. Touch your both hands on floor and raise your right leg. Move forward and backward as much as you can. Your eyesight is parallel to eyes. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your abdomen area, thigh muscles, glute muscles. See that your waist in arch position while doing. Your next leg, same posture. Raising leg, move forward and backward. Eyesight is parallel to eyes. Feel the stretch in your thigh muscles, glute muscles. Keep breathing. Do this 8 to 10 times. And now lie down for a while for your entire body relaxation. Keep breathing and come into Bhujangasana. Stay in this posture and release the posture. Again, come up and go slowly. Now we are doing Saludhasana. Place your both legs upward 1 foot. It helps to strengthen your lower back and pelvic region. It also known as a locust pose. Keep breathing, which adds flexibility to your back muscle and your spinal cord. Make sure that you should touch your chin down while you are doing and slowly release the posture. Now we are doing Superman posture. Lift your both legs and both hands in air like a Superman. Inhale while going up. Continue breathing and while you hold the posture, and exhale while you go down. The Superman posture helps to build strong abdomen and your entire abs. Now release the posture slowly. Keep breathing. Now lie down on floor on your back and keeping your knees close to you. Keep your both hands behind your neck and do alternate crunches. Keep slowly breathing. Feel the stretch in your abdomen area. Little bit in speed. Try to touch your elbow to your alternate knees. Release the posture. Release the legs. And now we are going to do Pavan Muktasana. Taking your right leg close to chest. Hold with hand. Keep breathing. Stay in posture. And release the leg. Now do it with next leg. Same posture. Holding your leg. Try to touch your chin to knee. Keep breathing. Release the leg. And now do it your both legs. Hold legs, touching chin, and little bit scroll front and back. Keep breathing. Scrolling front and back. It releases the back area, left and right side. Your entire spine will be released. Keep breathing. Now we are doing Setu Bandhasana. Put your both toes near to hip. Keep both hands straight. Lift your hips upward. Stay in posture. Keep breathing and release. It's beneficial for tightening thigh muscles, glute muscles. Again, repeat. You may use your hands for balancing, and if you are comfortable, then don't use. Release the posture. Now lie down on floor. We are doing Naukasana. And lift your legs around 1 foot and hands too. Stay in posture. Posture should be like Nauka. Hold the posture and release. Keep breathing. Repeat again. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your abdomen area. Release the posture. Now raise your leg, thumb and hands. This is called crunches. Raising your leg and alternate hand. Try to touch your leg, thumb. It helps to reduce belly fat. Now raise your both legs, bending in knee in 90 degrees and touch the floor by your hands. Stay in posture. Release the leg. Raising your leg, both legs bending in knee and try to touch floor slowly. Keep breathing. Slowly doing alternate leg. Release the legs. Keep breathing. Now we are doing scissors crunch. Keep both hands near to your body and you are raising your both legs alternatively. Next we are doing cycling for abs. Imagine you are riding bicycle horizontally, lying on your back, raising leg a little bit speed. It's beneficial for strengthen your abdomen area. Release the posture. Now ready to yourself for butterfly asana. Sitting down, bending the legs and moving your knees in speed up and down without any support. Take a deep breath in and down. Slowly try to touch your head to ground. Come up again. We are showing you from another side. Same posture. Moving thighs in speed and knee. Take a deep breath in and go down. Trying to touch your head to ground. Keep breathing. Release the posture. Now let's come in Dhyan Mudra. placing your both hands in mudra posture on knee, and let's do Kapalbhati. Hold the chest, exhale through nostrils, give stroke in your belly. By doing this, you may feel peace in mind. Keep doing. Release the breath. Again. Take a long breath in and prepare yourself for Anulom Vilom. Sitting in Sukhasana, have hands resting in chin. Fold first two fingers of right hand to base of thumb and other fingers used to close each nostrils. Breathe in slowly with left nostril, hold and release breath with right nostril. Then again breathe from right nostril slowly, hold and release from your left nostril. You are doing this very slowly. Keep 4 to 5 rounds. Slowly breathe in, hold and release breath slowly. Feel the peace in your entire body, your mind. Release the hand and take a long breath in, out. Take another breath in for Omkara. Open your eyes. Thank you.